Hi everyone, my name is John Clint B. Amorganda from BSTM Black B, and today I be answering this question. Should hospitality companies prioritize technical skills training over soft skills development when investing in employee professional development? Well, I believe the answer is both. Why or why not? Because both technical and soft skills are equally important. Technical skills helps employees to do their jobs well, like using booking system, preparing foods properly, and keeping the rooms clean and ready. While the soft skills helps us to connect emotionally with the guests, like greeting the guests with a smile, listening to their needs, and making them feel truly valued whenever the experience is positive or negative. Second one is why not? If the company trains only one skills, the service will be incomplete. Guests might get things done right, but it might feel no care, or they might feel welcome. But in the end, it will lead into bad ratings or bad services. That's why both skills should go hand in hand to give every guest the best possible experience. As a tourism student, it's my job to learn and to grow and to be ready to deliver not just a good service but a service that makes every guest feel truly valued. And that's all. Thank you.